This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
What's up you guys, it's Vincanity and welcome to another tutorial about breaking. Today we're going to be learning a very non-conventional move, not a very popular or even common move that you see. It's called the backwards worm. Usually you see the worm done on your stomach, either moving forward or backwards, but this one actually is on your back. And I would have to say this is the hardest worm that there is. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright you guys, so the first thing that you absolutely need to know how to do is a basic kick-up. Now, you don't have to be the best at doing kick-ups, but having a decent kick-up and even a really good kick-up will make this move look a lot nicer and be a lot easier for you to do. So let's first just kind of work on our basic kick-up form. So let's start by laying here, and we're gonna go like this, and we're just gonna kick to here, and we're gonna roll back. Kick, and we're gonna roll back, and we're gonna go kick, and we're gonna roll back. Let's use our hands, push, get up, and go back down. Okay? This motion is not only gonna help you with the kick-ups, but it's also gonna help you with the worm to make it more smooth, and especially rolling back like that. You wanna make that really smooth. So make sure that when you're rolling back, you go from your heels to your butt to your back. And kind of arch your back so that it rolls from your butt all the way to your shoulders. And then you kick, and then you go back. And then you kick, and then you go back. And you kick, and then you go back. Okay? Now, for the kick up, basically you just wanna be able to kick up to your feet. So for like this, from here, boom, right? You don't even have to be that high. If you can get all the way up, right, that's even better. But I'm not gonna make that a requirement for this video, especially if you're just learning this move, it's okay. I'm not gonna kick you off this class. We are gonna go from that kick up, and we're just gonna roll back, and we're gonna do it 3 times, okay? Let me scoot forward. So, we're gonna go like this, we lean back, we're gonna go kick up. Just get your feet almost to where you're falling back. Notice I catch myself, but in actuality, I want to roll back. And then I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna go here, kick, fall. All right, let's go again. Kick, fall, right? And that's the motion we wanna practice. When you guys land, make sure you're landing on your toes, and then you slowly fall back from here all the way down. And it just kind of makes a smooth transition. Let's do that 3 times in a row without stopping, okay? We go here, kick up, 1, 2, 3, okay? And we wanna basically keep practicing that motion until it becomes smoother, okay? If you notice right now, it's kind of felt like back, forward, right? We want it to be more like roll, 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 okay? So let's try it again. When we roll back, immediately we kick up, immediately we kick up. Let's try it again, ready? And as you notice, as I get my timing better, I start actually traveling more. So it's basically as you roll, just like the worm, you kick up, and right when you land, you start getting right back into that prep to go into the next one. So it's constant rhythm to it, okay? One more time, trying to get that rhythm. Ready? We go here. And one more time. Alright you guys, so just so you know, this is the easy version of the backwards worm. What makes it just a notch up is landing with our legs straight, and that's where it gets a little bit tricky. When we kick up with our legs straight, we want to get a somewhat high kick up. Doesn't have to be to standing, but it does want to be about here, like the normal worm is. And we want to land with our legs straight. This is actually scary for a lot of people, right? You're so used to landing with your legs bent here. Landing with your legs straight is a little bit scary because if you hesitate, you're gonna land right? And it's gonna hurt. So what we wanna do is actually aim for our heels. This is where this move could get a little bit dangerous. You wanna aim for your heels, and when doing that, you actually get a lot of pressure on your heel. So I would recommend wearing some sturdy shoes, or again, practicing on a mat that's a little bit soft, so you're not gonna like slam into some cement, so that you're landing, falling back. It's basically like this, landing here, and then falling back, okay? So you have to really commit to it. If you hesitate, bad things happen, right? So let's actually practice from here. Kick up, land on your heels, boom, 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 boom. Go back, kick up, land on your heels, doom, 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 doom. Let's try to do just one, okay? Kick up, boom. Okay, if you notice, as my legs went here, I aimed for my heels, do, 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 do. And again. And this again is why this move could be potentially dangerous, because if you do hesitate, you could potentially just land like this, and it could hurt your butt, or it could hurt your back, or it could hurt your heel, okay? So aim for your heels, boom, and then roll back, right? You wanna make that smooth transition. And as you practice it more, you'll get the rhythm of it, and it'll become easier, okay? Let's try 3. This move also travels a lot, so just be careful that you have enough space. One more time. All right, you guys, so that is the backwards worm. Again, you have to take your time and learn that basic motion. Once you guys get the kick up into the roll, into the second kick up, it's all about getting the timing and the rhythm to it. You could actually travel pretty far. Like I only have this much space, but if I had a bigger space, you know, I would be able to travel pretty far in a matter of just 2 to 3. There were a couple of takes where I literally did 2 and got across the floor. So you could actually move pretty fast with this, but it's all about getting that rhythm to it. Again, like I mentioned, this is a really cool move that you guys could use and incorporate it into your dancing. Use it as a transition, use it as even the blow up to your move. But again, take your time, learn it, get comfortable with it, and as always, get creative. All right, talk to you guys soon. Peace.